You wonder how many retail trading platforms makes or provides this or makes this available for traders to be able to benefit and enjoy from. All right, one of the great benefits of this trading command center, I mean the BeaconFX trading command center, is that you get to trade immediately once you take a trade order. Every subscribers or trading signal subscribers get to see it. In fact, some of the academy students also get to see the trading signals right instantly on their mobile or on their desktop. Now I'm going to take a buy order for USD CHF and then go to the trading command center, and I'm also going to come back again and take a sell order on Euro USD. Now this is it. There's also a desktop and also a mobile notification for this. So let's quickly also go to let's go and take a sell order on Euro USD. Okay, it does not matter that the price had gone down a little bit. I'm still going to take that chance, okay, to take a sell order. While we take the sell order, we go to the dashboard to get to see the signal immediately. Now the beautiful thing here also is that all members, either you're a paid student or subscriber or not paid, everybody get to chat from here. Now let me show you how unpaid subscribers or unpaid members get to see this dashboard. All right, this is how unpaid members get to see the dashboard. Okay, you have to upgrade to unlock this place. And one thing here also is that you also have the opportunity and the privilege to chat. Just say hello world, oh, that's a typo, right? Okay, and once you do that, everybody gets to see it. Okay, now you see it instantly, right? Now these are the benefits of this. Then we can also quickly, okay, why we took the trade, I want to quickly show you, but the decision came from this market intelligence 3.0. we've had 1.0, we've had 2.0, 2.5, and this is 3.0, which is far better than the other previous three versions that we have had. Okay, now this is the breaking news, the live news session, where we get to digest the news to understand what we need to do about which financial instrument or assets. Okay, now we have the economic calendar here. Look at how beautiful. It's not about being beautiful though, but you get to also get this feel of knowing what news is coming up and what to do with your trade. And here also there's the strength of each asset, the ones that we have chosen to be trading, and these are all the assets that we have actually chosen. But the major one here is one of the best, one of the 4 best tabs in this platform or this command center is this. Okay, XAUUSD is saying sell, but yes, there's a holiday today, so we cannot do anything with XAUUSD. And come look at here too. Okay, GBP USD. Let's quickly go to check GBP USD, and also we check USD card. Okay, as you can see, GBP USD from the is actually saying, giving us a sell, bias, and also USD card. Let's quickly also check it out. Now, this is the USD card. Okay, this is the USD card. That is what we depend on to give us the feel. You wonder how many retail trading platforms makes or provides this or makes this available for traders to be able to benefit and enjoy from. So that's why in fact, I think this is the time where you should be looking at how you are going to sign up and become a member of the BeaconFX.trade family. Okay, because what we are trying to do, we are so very new, just about a month plus, and this is what we currently are, and this is the community we are trying to build. Okay, and a whole lot more. Our courses are there. Yes, our courses are there. One can actually also take our courses, and you can also still go through all our free courses. The most important thing is once you go through this, you've finished with one course, you take the quiz, it activates another lesson for you. Okay, that's the beauty. Yes, very beautiful, right? So, and for those who also want to, you don't want to subscribe, and you just want to, you want to use our introducing broker so that we also can get some commissions from your trades. You can use this or any of our brokers. Okay, all of these are our recommended brokers. We've tested them and they are very good. Okay, and more are still coming because a lot are still in talk with us and we are in talk with them. Okay, you can just take any one of them and then add a broker, and the next is you get to, once you they come here and verify. Once we verify you, just like you can see, submit proof, and another one says re-verify now. Okay, the system re-verifies you every month, just like you're subscribing every month, because we don't want to have people who will just, yes, be make our account or signal our platform be dormant. All right, so these are the benefit, the beautiful things about this platform. Okay, these are the two trades we have, and this is the win rate that we actually have. If you need to confirm this, you can actually go to the performance page. At least this is not child's play, right? Okay, so far so good. So far so good. We've had 84 trades, and in that 84 trade, you can do the math from here, and you can also see from this equity growth how well our signals have been. How well our signals has been. Maximum winning streak is 12 trades at a row, winning trades we had at a row, and we had 4 maximum losses. But since then, we have tried to buckle up. And outside the 12 maximum streaks, we've had other wonderful winning streaks. Okay, like this too, and also like this too. All right, so these are the wonderful opportunities that you get for being a member of the BeaconFX.trade community. All right, I think we've done enough, and I think I'm going to end this video here and make some other videos very shortly. I'll see you in the next one. Please take your time, go and sign up now, and start enjoying our market control framework methodology from the BeaconFX.trade structured trading command center. Thank you very much.